Meet the peacock spider, known scientifically as Mesmerizing, is a true artist of nature. Despite its small size, it possesses a mesmerizing beauty that captivates all who encounter it. What sets the peacock spider apart is its extraordinary courtship display. Males flaunt the vibrant colors and intricate patterns to impress potential mates in a mesmerizing dance. With their agile and nimble legs, these tiny spiders perform intricate movements, raising their brilliantly colored abdominal flaps and waving them in a rhythmic pattern, resembling an enchanting peacock's display. The peacock spider's vibrant hues and intricate patterns are not only visually stunning, but they also serve as a unique form of communication, attracting the attention of female spiders and ensuring successful courtship. Despite their eye-catching appearance, peacock spiders are harmless to humans, and prefer to dwell in the leaf litter of their natural habitats. These tiny arachnids thrive in wild landscapes, blending seamlessly with their surroundings.